join us here on part 2 of the G81 M3 project. So obviously part 1 was the engine bay. It's looking absolute flush.
That's done and dusted.
Looking absolutely savage. So part 2, I don't know what I told you about part 2. It's actually, I am actually in possession of part 2 right now.
Oh, okay.
So let me give you a hint.
Fairly minor then.
Let me check my pockets. Which one is it? Let's check this one out. Any guesses?
Well, I'm thinking it's got to be to do with the lights because they're now on.
Correct, Mundo. So here they are. Yellow DRLs, so CSL Style DRLs are going on this. So Sam's going to do a how-to video, and by how-to, go on, check it back.
Yeah.
By how-to, this is a Carbonwurks first. So Sam's going to be exploring this one and telling you guys how to do it. There are a couple ways of doing that, but I'll let that down to Sam to discuss. So part 2, let's get that one done and dusted, and I think we'll have that one
done in time for tea and cake.
I was about to say before tea and scones anyway. Yeah.
See,
crack on.
Okay, so as you can see, it's it back down on the ground, wheels on, wheels torqued. That means there's only one thing left, and that's to test these new units. So we're quite looking forward to seeing this combined with the colour of the car. We're quite excited actually. We think, once again, as I said at the beginning of this video, one of the smallest parts we're going to fit will probably have the biggest impact. So it's time to turn out the lights.
So we're now wrapped up on part 2, which was quite a simple process, and it was just the yellow DRL. So tell me, Sam, I think these are insane. They're so good, but how difficult was it to install?
Easier than you'd think, actually. Well,
okay.
It only took me a couple of hours, really. So yeah, not too bad at all. Yeah, nice parts, nice little job to do, big impact. Quality checkers come down and said it's all good.
Signed off.
So it's signed off, yeah, we're good to go. Part 2 done.
Excellent. That was a nice easy one. The one that's coming next is part 3, obviously, and that's going to be the bigger task. So we're taking the exterior of this car and we're going to transform it into what we're about, and that is carbon fibre. So stay tuned for part 3. That'll be coming up soon. Nice job on this so far. I'm looking forward to the next level, the next stage.
The big transformation.
Let's get it going.